have to say that it has been an enormous evolution since the first day that I came here for physical therapy. I've become much more confident about using my right arm. I broke my clavicle and 3 ribs, and for a long period of time I was really worried about doing exercises, and there were some movements that I was not able to do, and now I'm capable of doing them all, and I feel a lot more confident and secure with managing my arm and moving my shoulder. I would say that my favorite part of my experience here has been sharing with you guys. It's been a pleasure to come here every week. I've felt a lot of support from you, and then the exercises were fun. So I did not only was working out on myself, but I was also enjoying my time.